This is the basic kettlebell deadlift. So I'm going to show it to you and then break it down. From the side. All right, the benefits of the deadlift, it's a pretty foundational exercise, basic exercise. Teaches you how to use your hips, use your abs, and bring it all together. It is the same form and function as you would be doing for the swing. So you're going to take your bell and put your feet right next to the bell. The bell should be even with your heels, toes pointed straight. You're going to start out creasing your hips, so you're going to push your hips straight back, nice tight stomach, don't overarch your back. Keep your chin down, engage your lats like you're squeezing a tennis ball in your armpits. Arms nice and straight. You're gonna compress your abs, take a nice deep breath, and then push your feet into the floor to bring your hips underneath you. Pull your hips back, crease your hips. And I like to do an aggressive hip snap at the top. Back nice and long and straight. I'll show you from the side view. So you want to take a nice line from your tailbone all the way through out the back of your head. So I picture about 2 or 3 feet out in front of me. Crease your hips, straight back with your back. Pull yourself down, push your feet into the floor. Come back down. There's the basic deadlift.